Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here with our 1993 Chevy Lumina APV van, spaceship, if you will. And we did some junkyard crawling for some parts here. And one of them was for a neat option that this van has. And I was gonna go to the junkyard and learn how it worked. And what we're talking about is the fuel cap release. So in this van, oh, the light's perfect. Well, kind of perfect. So here we have a fuel cap release. So in theory, I'm guessing it would normally be like this. You would pull up on it, and there's a cable that presumably runs from here all the way to the back of the van. So you'd pop this, and it'd be a little, retract a little pin, a spring would pop this out, and then you could open it up, and you could open the gas, and you'd be on your way. According to the previous owner of this van, apparently he came up to a full service gas station, and before he could even pop the gas cap, some guy just came in and just ripped it open. And what it did is it broke the snap mechanism here, right? So the little pinion or whatever that actually actuates from that switch over there no longer works. So and since it's built to spring out, most of the time it sits like this. So that's not really cool. It's not spaceship-like to have that. So we went to the junkyard, and I wanted to get a new cable or figure out how the cable went in, get a new cable so I could replace it and get this to work again. But I found an even better solution. The two vans that we looked at were 95 and 96, and this one obviously is not white, but it's a new design. And what it does is it's actually the same size door, but it has two things. Number one, it looks like it's gonna fit right in there. And two, it doesn't use any sort of release. It's actually sprung. So you can actually pop it open and it stays open, and it springs itself closed. So I grabbed the one off that van thinking, oh great, now we have a great solution. We can take this one out, put this one in, and we're done. Except I'm gonna have to paint this or do something to it to turn it white. Went to another junkyard, I found a white one. So I don't even have to do that now. It's a matching colored one, and it even comes with, oh, there's words there. Roadside assistance. This one actually came out of a 96 van with only 81,000 kilometers on it. Neat stuff. Anyway, it's got a holder for the cap. So now when it's open, you can actually set your cap back here. Instead of setting it on the van or on the pump and then forgetting it, you can actually just set it there. And it looks like it's gonna bolt right in. So that's what this video is about, is we're gonna see if we can unscrew this, take it out and put on this cap, and that would be great. Then we'd have that fixed. So let's go ahead and grab a Phillips and come back here. So I'm hoping that this is just as easy as it looks. We've got a Phillips screw up top and a Phillips screw below. And they're probably gonna be plastic or made for plastic because we're in plastic panel land here. So out this one comes. That seemed easy. Open this one up. You know, I could probably wash it first, but yeah, everything is matchy-match. So let's go ahead and put the screws back in, and then we'll test it to see if it even closes. Why don't we do that now? Well, let's not. Let's leave some anticipation here. Well, here it is. Oh yeah, it's slightly not perfect actually. It looks like while it looks close, it is close. It's the same size. It just looks different in the hole. Plus my hole is filthy because the prior owner, I guess, at some point spilled something. So now that I drive over dirt, it sticks to it. So we'll have to detail that out. But I think the catch is that if we had it come out a little further, it might look a little better. But at least it now isn't sprung to hop out. It looks a little bit better, and I think with a little bit of tweaking, we can probably get it to be just right. It's meant to land on something that I don't have, so I probably should have on the other vehicle, if it had it, went ahead and put a brake there. And I might have to 3D print something, and we can make it so there's a stop that it can sit against. And we'll have to tweak it a little bit because it's not quite perfect in the hole. That would be a lot better, but yeah. At least now it's gonna stop opening up on me while I'm just driving down the road. So that sounds pretty cool. So if you guys have any questions on this, which you don't, if anybody ever watches this video, please ask. And otherwise, leave a comment that, hey, that's a pretty cool idea, or what the heck are you doing? This has to go into the estate sale pile, which means that it's an original part to the van. So keep it somewhere, and then at your estate sale, they'll take that box of all the original equipment, throw it in the back, and then when it gets sold at auction for scrap prices, at least it will have all its original parts with it. So see if we can tweak this a little bit here. And you guys, please subscribe to my channel, Turbo231, for more awesome stuff. I'll kind of tweak on this a little bit. I don't think I have to do much. Just have to kind of get it, and we'll have to build a stop for it. You guys have a good day. Yeah, that's better. Perfect.